Hello everyone, today in this tutorial, we will be looking at how to use Moodle, step-by-step guide for educators and administrators. Moodle is one of the most widely used learning management systems or LMS that allows educators to create and manage online courses efficiently. Designed to support both in-person and fully online learning, Moodle provides a flexible platform that enhances teaching and student engagement. With Moodle, educators can create structured courses, upload and organize learning materials, and facilitate interactive discussions through forums and chat features. The system also includes powerful tools for tracking student progress, automating assessments, and providing timely feedback. Additionally, Moodle supports multimedia content, enabling educators to integrate videos, quizzes, and interactive assignments to enhance the learning experience. One of the biggest advantages of Moodle is its adaptability to various educational institutions and training programs. Whether you are an instructor at a university, a corporate trainer, or managing a small-scale online learning environment, Moodle offers customization options to fit different teaching needs. The platform supports integrations with third-party applications, grading systems, and authentication tools, making it a comprehensive solution for modern education. Whether you are setting up a course, enrolling students, or grading assignments, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started with Moodle in 2025, helping you create an effective and engaging learning experience. Step 1. Setting up your Moodle account. Moodle provides a seamless way for educators and students to connect and interact in an online learning environment. Before you can fully utilize its features, you need to create an account and customize your profile. Setting up your account properly ensures you have access to all the tools Moodle offers and enhances communication within courses. Before you can create or manage courses, you need to register and customize your Moodle profile. A properly set up account ensures that you can fully utilize Moodle's features and interact seamlessly with students. How to set up your account. 1. Visit the Moodle platform. Go to your institution's Moodle site or the official Moodle website. 2. Sign up or log in. If you don't have an account, click sign up and enter your details such as email, username, and password. 3. Confirm your email. Check your inbox for a verification link and click it to activate your account. 4. Customize your profile. Navigate to Preferences. Edit profile to upload a profile picture, write a short bio, and update personal information. 5. Set up notification preferences. Adjust how you receive updates about course, announcements, assignments, and messages. 6. Explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with Moodle's interface, including course listings, forums, and messaging tools. A well-structured account helps students and colleagues recognize you in discussions and activities, making communication more effective. Additionally, setting up notifications ensure that you stay updated on important course-related activities without missing deadlines. 1. Visit the Moodle platform. Go to your institution's Moodle site or the official Moodle website. 2. Sign up or log in. If you do not have an account, click sign up and enter your details such as email, username, and password. 3. Confirm your email. Check your inbox for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Or customize your profile. Navigate to Preferences. Edit profile to upload a profile picture and update personal information. A well-structured account helps students and colleagues recognize you in discussions and activities, making communication more effective. Step 2. Creating a new course for educators. Once logged in, educators can set up a course and structure it with lessons, assignments, and quizzes. A well-organized course makes navigation easy for students. How to create a course. 1. Access course management. Click Site Administration, Courses, add a new course. 2. Enter course details. Provide a course name, description, and category. Example, Math, Science, Business. 3. Set course format. Choose between weekly format, topic-based format, or single activity format based on your teaching style. 4. Configure enrollment methods. Select how students will join the course, manual enrollment, self-enrollment, or external authentication. 5. Set course availability. Adjust start and end dates and make the course visible to students. 6. Save and publish. Click Save and Display to finalize the course setup. Properly setting up a course ensures students can easily access learning materials and assignments. Step 3. Adding learning materials, videos, files, and quizzes. To enhance engagement, educators can upload various learning resources such as videos, documents, and quizzes. These materials improve student learning and interaction. How to upload learning materials. 1. Turn editing on. Inside your course, click Turn Editing On in the top right menu. 2. Add an activity or resource. Choose from the following options: files, PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, videos, YouTube links, or uploaded video files. Quizzes, multiple choice, short answer, or essay-based assessments. Forums, discussion boards for student interaction. 3. Upload and configure settings. Adjust visibility, due dates, and completion tracking. 4. Save changes and preview. Ensure that the materials display correctly for students. Well-organized learning materials make the course more interactive and enhance student understanding. Step number 4. Enrolling students into your course. Educators and administrators need to ensure students have proper access to the course. A seamless enrollment process prevents confusion and ensures smooth participation. How to enroll students. 1. Navigate to course administration. Go to Users, Enrolled Users. 2. Manually enroll students. Click Enroll Users, search for students, and add them. 3. Enable self-enrollment, optional. If you want students to enroll themselves, go to Enrollment Methods, activate self-enrollment, and set an enrollment key, password if necessary. 4. Confirm enrollments. Check the student list to ensure proper access. Once students are enrolled, they can access course content and participate in discussions, assignments, and quizzes. Step number 5. Communicating with students via announcements. Keeping students updated is crucial for an organized online learning experience. Announcements help ensure students stay informed about important course updates, deadlines, and events. How to create an announcement. 1. Go to Course Administration. Click Announcements under the course menu. 2. Create a new announcement. Click Add a new topic, then write your message. 3. Enable email notifications, optional. Decide whether students should receive an email notification about the announcement. 4. Post to forum. Publish the announcement so all students can see it. Effective communication helps students stay engaged and aware of important course details. In conclusion, Moodle is packed with tools beyond the basics. Explore features like analytics, chat forums, and integrations with third-party learning apps to make the most of your online courses. With robust customization options, it allows educators to design engaging courses tailored to different learning styles. The ability to track student progress, automate grading, and provide real-time feedback makes Moodle an invaluable tool for online education. And that is all there is on how to use Moodle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.